Hey everyone, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb with this light pendant. It's worn off. I'll turn the light on and it's not going to turn on. See, the other ones are, this is on, this is on, that's on, off. So before I replace the bulb, I gotta turn this off. Power up, that's off. If you wanna be more safer, just you can put tape on the switch itself. But right now I'm only one in the kitchen. Just leave it like that. And if you want to be more safer, turn up the breaker, but all your lights will be off, so you'll be working in the dark. And the first thing you need to do is loosen up this thing up here. It's screwed in, so lefty going this way, lefty, put it up. Now this one. Now for the bottom part, the same way. Let's loosen that up. It would be nice if you have a helper to hold the glass up. Now this one will go up too. You see, this is the bulb. This is a GU10, 35 watts. And if you don't know, if you're not sure what the thing is, what's the wattage, there should be a plastic or a marking on your glass that says how many watts. This one says GU10, 35 watts. And I already have one here, a replacement. So if you're not sure, you can take out the bulb itself. In order to take the glass off, you twist and pull, right? So, and inside here, camera can see it, but there's two holes, one big hole, one smaller hole. When you put this back in, you start with the bigger hole, twist it, okay? But to take it out, just twist it. Now you can let go. Ooh, it fall. So, now to replace this, I'm gonna move the camera closer. Okay. And if you're still not sure the thing, you just bring the old bulb back there, or there's the thing right here. You see here on the bulb itself, should be a marking. I don't know if it's zoom in or not. Can't really see it. So if you're not sure, there's a marking on the bulb itself. And if you're still not sure, just bring the worn out bulb into the thing, to the hardware store. Right? This one I'm using is the G10. I got this from IKEA a long time ago. So here's the new one. Here's the old one. When you put this in, there's one big hole there and one big hole there. So see this little thing here, this one and this one, put it in the bigger hole first. I'm doing it looking at the viewfinder, so I have to do it by looking at it. I'm holding the base. I'm putting this thing in the bigger hole first. Yeah, twists. There, see? Now it's in. I'm gonna test it, make sure it works. And it's good. So that's how you think. If you want me to if you're gonna keep going in this looking at this video, I'm gonna finish the whole thing by putting this back in here. You really should be doing this with the power off, but that's too short. So you hold the metal part and just twist that. Lower this slowly. And voila, it's done. Alright, that's how you replace the halogen bulb for this particular pendant light. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.